Welcome to Fitness 116 Body Conditioning. I'm your instructor, Chris Waters. If you need to contact me at any point during the summer, or if you have questions, please email me at watersc@smccd.edu. Fitness 116 is an asynchronous class that will be offered through Canvas. We will not meet for this class, so you can complete the coursework according to your own schedule. Please take the time to read through the course overview and watch for weekly announcements about reminders for assignments and due dates. Fitness 116 is an activities class, and students will receive full credit for participation and submission of their exercise journals. Our goal is to work out 4 times per week or 8 times for every 2 weeks to complete each 2-week unit. Please use sample routines and our exercise library, complete with instructions, suggestions, demonstrations, and videos. Again, if you have any questions, please email me at watersc@smccd.edu. I'm looking forward to a great summer. Thank you.